lovely colour. What's interesting about the Sleepo?
It's because I topped it up, so it's a
Civic's back. I don't know what kind of Volkswagen this is. This is a bit too close. Okay, someone's brought a Kia.
They do things called loans.
Okay.
Yeah, get a loan!
Modified Peugeot with OZ Racing. The little MX-5 Gen 1, I believe. Got a V6 Vectra VXR with a turbo as well. Oh. Uh-oh, they have a warning. I think most of them do. Another Toyota here. Let me know what kind of Toyota this is, because I've never seen one of these.
Cheers, thank you.
You got an invitation, Reese. Speaking of invitations, I am hosting a car meet of mine, as you can tell, very soon on the 29th of June. If anyone's interested, let me know. Reese next to the RS there. The cars are leaving. Oh no. I gotta film them quick. I'd like to apologise for the wind. Oh, rabbit. Let's go back down here. And then we'll go around that way. Yeah, 40s in there too. You may recognise this from the small Jap club meet I went to. GTO. We have an Hyundai too. One Hyundai, two Hyundai. You got the Civic as well. The intake manifolds on the front. Stand back to get all that in. It's only a small turnout though, so the video's not going to be that long. Got those to get to yet. Look at the size of that air intake and the size of that turbo.
I have no one to go, do they know? Whatever.
Ha! Japan! On the motor, something Japan. It's on 15 rims, 15 52s. The original seats. Different steering wheel, OMP steering wheel. We have Subaru Impreza there as well. huge exhaust. We have another Lupo here with double center exhaust. It's a GTI version, so it's not your standard Lupo. It's got OZ racing rims on it too. If you want to go follow them, there's their at. I love the interior on this as well. Red leather seats. It was nice. They're black too. Let's go look at the engine. Ain't that a pretty sight? The Civic's leaving now. So if you want to go see a photo of the Ford GT, go follow my Instagram at college__life 2022. The MX-5 is back there too. Again, RS. It's like a fiery orangey red. It doesn't really pick up on camera though. We've got another Lupo here, but this one has Porsche rims. Or either wannabe Porsche rims. Civic making Civic noises. Momo race wheel. Very nice. That's their out if you want to go follow them as well. And if you like your sound system, there you go. And a single central exhaust. Now this one's an interesting one. It's got a HKS wheel in it too. It's a Seat VR6, but it has a Volkswagen VR6 2.8 litre engine in it. And it's a van. We've got the DS3 here, slammed too. You could go follow them there. Got the GTI Cabriolet as well, with actual BBS rims. Look how good the roof spinning shape as well. Lovely. Got another one here as well, also on BBS. These ones poke out a bit though. And now here's an interesting one. It's a Vauxhall, but it's a stretch limo. Now tell me, where else would you see these? Because this is the first for me. That ain't standard, is it? Some destroyed tyre remnants there as well. Volkswagen 1600. I forgot the actual name of it, something 1600. Lovely.
Oh, is that where it's close, is it?
We also have a lovely Lotus here as well. Goal. Civic's leaving.
So I said, right, because I need so I sold it.
Got an HKS livery inspired GT86. It's missing the light grey though. Got a lovely Focus RS here as well. I think it has an air tech inside it. There's a Civic down there.
Next, or V06, something like that.
Cleanest engine bay I've seen.
Just sold.
Here we have a 350Z, I believe. I think everyone's leaving. Yeah, 350Z. Lovely. Well, the MX-5's leaving too. We've got another 350Z here, but this one's been slightly modified. We go to the front, slightly modified. We have a Miata. This Miata you may have recognised from the Chester Jack Club video I did as well. Just like that one there. Is the Clio RS. Interesting. Who's making noises? Beamer's making noises. Got a lovely seat here as well. Yeah, it's only a small meet. This is only a preview because the actual meet's going to be on the 7th of July. Now I'm going to stand by the entrance and see what cars I can film leaving. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it up on this Lupo GTI with a Audi 5 valve turbo or V5 turbo? I think it's 5 valve. See, engine mounts there as well. It's pretty easy to work on. Yeah, we'll end it up on this. Hope you enjoyed.